No straight road can hold my stride. I cut the board, I ride the side. Iron breath and sparks that fly. Rain or chain, I pass them by. I'm a war.
Materials. Patience. 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 Because a worthy night is never rushed. It is carved slowly, layer by layer, mistake by mistake. All cardboard, bottle caps, glue, dust from sanding. And suddenly, the scrap begins to look noble. A horse ready for the board, ready for the journey, ready for war. Now, the head. This is where it appears. Build volume. Add, remove, try again. Don't rush this. The night isn't perfect, but it needs character. If you look at it and it gives nothing back, keep working.
We're both a little right. We both have been wrong. You walk a steady line. I'm fire, I'm a storm. Two roads, same sky. We don't collide. I can bury my heart. I drink to the goodbye. Take a road and keep it. My friend, my ally. Tablero 13 was a dream, turned into life again. I thought I'd make just pieces, but we made more, my friend. We built a spark unbreakable, a bond that feels so right, an unstoppable creation glowing through the night. Through copper light and gentle steam, we keep on shining, never looking back.
Cover the piece. Press gently, but don't erase the form. The night lives in those details.
Dust on my hands, sweat on my face, dreams carved out in the meadow's grace. Steam and rhythm, sparks and time, lonely work, but it feels just fine. My beasts are dancing, wild and free, drumming claws in harmony. They shake the floor, they steal the calm, noise and laughter, my favorite charm. Hey, this workshop's gotta be stomping boots and tapping feet. Used to hum a tune so shy, now the walls just swing and cry.
With the same thicker mixture, shape the mane. Here, you have more room. Dark, light, contrast. You can shape shadows, highlight planes. The night allows more freedom, but don't overdo it. Let it breathe. The night is the only piece that doesn't move like the others. It jumps, it avoids, it surprises. It doesn't follow the path, it finds it. Next time, we build the queen. Horses with too much spirit are not evil. They were simply born with more fire than the world knows how to handle. Look at him. Everyone thinks he wants to dominate, when in truth, he only hates feeling confined. A horse like this cannot endure weak hands or cruel reins. Force him and he will break, or break you instead. But if he learns to trust, he would cross through fire for the right person. There are people like that as well. Souls who seem difficult because they feel too much, too quickly, too deeply. Most people try to extinguish them simply to make them easier to live beside. And the more they are restrained, the wilder they become. Though sometimes, that fire does not announce destruction. I sense a tall young woman, eyes weary from pretending calm, and a heart locked away for far too long. She will not be gentle, nor easy to understand. But creatures like this, they would recognize her instantly, because fire always understands fire.